Too much rain in too little time. That's pretty much what we were dealing with all last week, and I'm glad to say that most of our water concerns and rain concerns and flooding concerns is all but gone as of right now. We do have some flood warnings in effect for Wilcox, Dodge, and Telfair County, but that's just river flooding, and that's for the Ocmulgee River, and that's pretty much just going to be confined to those areas just off the river banks. I don't think any residential communities will be threatened by this flood concern. But elsewhere, it's all pretty quiet with the flooding, and within the next week, we're not going to get any rain to add on to the flood concerns, so I don't think we won't hear anything too much more about flooding within the next week at least. As your current satellite and radar loop for the last 6 hours, notice a lot of cloud cover out there, but not much in the way of the green color in the rain showers, except for Crisp County earlier this afternoon. We saw a couple of showers form in Crisp and quickly move down to the south, but other than that, it's been fairly quiet. Temperature forecast for tomorrow, we're going to drop into the mid-60s, some isolated locations, lower 60s, and I wouldn't even be surprised to see some of our northern communities drop into the 50s tonight. Our overnight lows will be pretty cool for the next 3 days as well. So will our daytime highs. Take a look at this. 83 yesterday. We're going to go 83 tomorrow once again. I don't expect us to get above 85 tomorrow in Macon at all. I'm going 83. Northern communities, lower 80s. Down south, mid-80s as well. So I think 90s will not be in our forecast for tomorrow. Dew point temperatures, take a look at them as we progress over the next couple of days. You're going to 60s, and eventually we got 50-degree dew point temperatures on our map, mid-50s at times, and that's just evident of overnight low temperatures, and it's showing that we will not have the moisture and the humidity, the heat index. All those things, the ingredients that bring in rain showers and cloud cover will be at a minimal over the next 7 days. Now here's the first look ahead. We're going to start off around 1 o'clock in the morning. Ignore the rain showers on this map. We won't see anything in the way of rain across central Georgia, but I will add in some cloud cover. I expect us to have more cloud cover throughout the night and also throughout the day tomorrow. We can expect more cloud cover, but we will stay dry tomorrow, and that's going to be the case heading into Tuesday as well, well into Wednesday. I think the next chance we see some significant rainfall should be by the end of the week on Friday night, possibly even Thursday night going into Friday morning. Tropical satellite, 2 areas of concern, one right off the coast of Louisiana and another one moving across the Yucatan Peninsula, making its way into the Bay of Campeche. Neither one of them will have an effect on our forecast. 7-day forecast shows 83 tomorrow, mid-80s by Monday, upper 80s by Tuesday. We start to clear on out with the skies with lots of sunshine beaming down. But as we said, the dry weather will be in the forecast, so heat index will not be an issue. We won't see 90s again until at least Wednesday and Thursday. Cold front brings its way back in on Friday. That's going to bring more showers in our forecast, and it's also going to help to knock our temperatures down once again. Fish again forecast calls for 2 peaks, one in the excellent range, 5:40 a.m., and one in the good range, 6:20 tomorrow. So